No days off. No days off. No days off. Put it in work till the day that I die. I'ma live life with no days off.
Good morning, family. What's up? Today is Thursday. It's almost the weekend. I'm super excited. We're going to do something cool tomorrow for the vlog. I'm going to take you guys grocery shopping. We're going to grocery shop on a budget. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is for you to save money and eat healthy. And one of the biggest BS excuses I hear from people about why they can't lose weight is that it's too expensive. Well, I guarantee you what I do on a weekly basis is going to be much cheaper than what you do on a daily basis as far as going through that drive-through. So I'm going to help you guys out there, show you guys a little bit of insight, and it's going to be kind of an educational vlog. I've kind of been dealing with some sickness past couple weeks, but I feel like I'm getting over it finally. I'm hitting the gym and doing CrossFit and everything I can just to do what's important for me. I wanted to share something funny. I've never been in a fight. Never really been hit before. I don't know how I'd react. Honestly, I'd like to think that I'd be a beast and all that, but I've never really been put to the test. I know when you are in a fight, when you do get into a fight and you initially get hit, your body gives off two initial reactions. One, back up, run away, get out, whatever you gotta do, leave the situation. And number two, put your hands up and fight. Today and every day, put your hands up and fight. I feel like so much of life I get hit by sometimes and I try to deal with it one thing at a time. But really, you just gotta keep plugging forward because there's so much that this life throws at you. And if you kind of go back to the beginning, go back to what made you who you are today, those are the things that's gonna sustain you. Those are the things that's gonna get you through the long haul. You know, the biggest battles are little victories you win every day. The biggest battles, the biggest wars are won by little victories. And so to make today and make the rest of your life a victory for you because it's possible. The things that God gives you naturally to deal with depression, to deal with your anxiety, to deal with the way that you feel about yourself. Use those gifts, use those tools that God's given us, and it'll really make a difference in your life. I want you guys to be encouraged. And just know that the best days of your life are ahead of you. They're not behind you. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Buckle up. It's so cold.
Get out of the trash, man.
It is so cold, you guys. It is 6 degrees in Chicago. I am so. What is this guy doing? I am so ready for winter to be over. It is Friday, and I just got done killing a workout. We are on our way to take the kids to school. Are you guys ready to go to school?
Yeah!
And we're gonna go grocery shopping. Take you guys with us. Show you exactly what we buy so we can get big and buff and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, we're gonna take you guys with us today. I'm super hungry. Probably gonna get some food as well. And I got my beautiful woman right here.
What about me?
And we're gonna take you guys with us today. All right, bye. Just jump out and then tuck and roll, okay? All right.
Bye, Cameron. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye, Mama. Have a good day.
Bye,
Love you. We're free. first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna buy protein for the week. Normally we switch it up, kind of stick to the same staples, same routines though. So anything kind of like lean meat or protein is going to be really, really good for you. We're going to buy a week's worth today. It's going to be either $50 or less. And this is pretty much what we do on a week in, week out basis. Now, it can kind of vary depending on what you're looking for as far as nutrition and health-wise. If you're looking to lose weight, some of the things you can probably substitute. For me right now, I'm trying to gain a lot of muscle. I'm also trying to just stay fit and feel active. So we're going to start with protein and we're going to go from there. Alright, so we're going to start with chicken. Normally it's probably one of the best sources of protein for us. Normally like the cheapest you can find is around $1.99 or $1.89. Right now it's at $1.99, so we're going to get a pack of that. We'll go, this is about a little over 5 pounds. It's going to be $10.25. We're going to get one of these. Alright, so next, we normally either substitute fish or turkey, some kind of lean meat like that. This week we're actually going to do ground turkey. This comes in a 3-pound roll for $6.78. This is going to be all of our protein for the whole week. So all of our protein every meal for the whole week, and we're looking at about $16 just on protein. So next we're going to do breakfast. We're going to do eggs. So most of the time people try to do like an egg white or a substitute for healthy eating. Honestly, the difference is about 20 to 25 calories per egg, but if you're really looking for protein, it's not really going to matter what you're going to be eating. The difference is going to be the price. So the price is going to be between $4 and $5 for about a week's worth. Normally what we buy is about an 18 count, and this goes for $1.30, and this is going to be a week's worth of protein, normally between about 3 to 4 eggs per day. Really just helps you. Like I said, it's something that's going to be good protein for you. It's also going to be good for you to start the day out. You always want to make sure you eat breakfast. Alright, next we're going to start with milk. So don't believe all the hype as far as nutrition-wise going into almond milk, soy milk. When you drink just regular skim milk, it's still going to be dairy. But you're only talking about a difference of about 20 to 25 calories per serving. We use it mainly like for cereal or in the morning. Don't really drink a whole lot of it, but if we do, we'll go with that. It's $1.08 a gallon compared to about $4 per quart for almond milk or soy or whatever you want to, whatever your alternative would be. So stick with what's going to save you money. It's not really going to matter that much in the long term for your health. Alright, so right here we're down to snacks, and these right here are packed with energy. I mean, after a long workout, eat about 5 or 6 of these, you'll be good to go for I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, another great source of, it's a complex carb, but it's going to be for breakfast. Complex carbs are really great. They're actually, make you stay full longer, and they actually clean your colon out, make you not feel bloated throughout the whole day. It doesn't help you retain water. It just helps you actually. So right now we're going to look at oatmeal. It's always going to be cheaper if you buy in bulk. You can kind of make your own at home. And normally we will try to buy like the instant. You always want to make sure when you're buying instant though, you're going to look at the sugar. Between 6 and 9 grams a day is going to be what your body is going to need to continue. Anything more than that, you're going to be raising your insulin level, and it's just going to make you hungrier. So another great source of protein that we like is tuna. Now, tuna is very basic, but you can add things to it, kind of like dress it up, and it actually makes for a really, really good meal. You're looking at 300 calories for the whole can. There's 2 servings in a can. But as far as for normal nutritionary diet, between 1,500 and 2,000 calories, it's really a good go-to, and plus it's really cheap. This is like $2.75 for 4 cans. So this is one of the biggest aisles that we shop in. I was going back to complex carbs. So brown rice is a great complex carb. It sweeps your colon, keeps you from being bloated. Anybody that's trying to lose weight knows that being bloated is like the worst. You look in the mirror, it's not good. So brown rice, this is actually probably the last couple weeks. It's 2 pounds, and it's $1.37. I'm kind of lazy, so I don't cook it. I will actually do the pre-made, just stick it in the microwave for 90 seconds. It's a little bit more expensive, but the same idea. And with the pre-made, you actually get 2 servings in a bag. So So we do our best to try to stay away from breads and things like that that are going to be really, really high in carb count. We normally will do like a tortilla, like a wheat-based tortilla or like a wheat-based flatbread. These are $1.28. There's 8 in a pack. It's going to be a week's worth of servings. You could put tuna, you could put turkey, ground turkey, chicken, anything like that. And like I said, you can kind of mix match, dress it any way that you like, and it's still going to be less carb count and less calories than if you were, to eat 2 or 3 slices of bread. This really, really is what works for us. I'm not saying everybody has to do it this way. This is what we found works for us. We've continued to be able to lose weight, maintain the way that we look, and save money. And I promise those people that say that it's expensive to eat healthy, it's really, really not. I think if you try to find an excuse, you're always going to find one. So now we're to vegetables. Obviously, if you buy fresh vegetables, they're going to be a little bit better for you, and they're obviously going to be cheaper. But vegetables are vegetables. There's hardly any calories, and they're really, really good. They fill you up. Tash and I both work really crazy schedules, so it's hard for us to find time. And this is really just helps us out throughout the week. We do a lot of stir fries. We do a lot of rice and protein and vegetable style meals, and this helps us a whole lot. This is a little bit expensive. This is $6 for the bag, but there's going to be about 9 to 10 servings in the bag. So this will keep us throughout the whole week. What's up, family? Thank you guys for coming along today. I just wanted to take you guys with me and go grocery shopping, something we normally do on a weekly basis. But I just wanted to prove to you guys that it is possible to save money on a budget and still eat correctly, at least doing the best that you can. What I do, what my wife does, it may be completely different than maybe what you need to be doing, but as long as we're all doing something to help further our bodies, help further our futures, let's do something. Let's continue to move forward and be encouraged in that. What I have before you, like I said, mainly meats, vegetables, fruit, not a whole lot of fruit, mainly a lot of vegetables, a lot of protein. Stuff that's going to keep you full, stuff that's going to sustain you. It's good for your body, it's good for you. And like literally, it's kind of common sense, but common sense is not always common to a lot of people. I went through, we actually did buy a few other things that we didn't need as far as groceries, or that we needed, but that was not groceries. Just what we have here though is $49 and some change. And you guys, this is more than a week's worth of food for my wife and I both. A lot of times, I don't, vegetables don't cost very much. I like vegetables, and I actually can eat vegetables just for a meal. A lot of times when you start changing, your body starts changing, you start eating different foods, you will actually crave different foods. You put cheeseburgers in your body every day, you're going to crave cheeseburgers. But if you start putting other things in your body, even if you might not necessarily like those right away, you will grow to like them. I have, my wife has. And I wanted you guys to be encouraged. Like I said, this is not something that I would, suggest everyone doing. It might be different for everybody. This is what works for me, though. Right now, I'm looking to maintain the weight that I'm at. I'm looking to build some muscle, probably get maybe a little bit leaner, a little bit more tone as far as my muscles go. But I want to be able to compete as an athlete. I want to be able to do things I've never done before, and continue this healthy lifestyle, because that's exactly what it is for me at this point. I love you guys. It is possible. Stop making BS excuses on why you can't afford something, because I just proved you wrong. You guys stay away from the drive-thrus. Buy food. Make it. Do what's right for you. Be good to your body. Love you guys. Be encouraged. Be an encouragement. Bye.